Hello everyone, today we have a 2021 Honda Pilot Elite. And that is running super smooth, so I'm gonna go ahead and take you for a tour. Those headlight surrounds or LEDs, they don't flicker like that to the human eye. That's just a refresh rate of the camera that's bringing us that disco party. Okay, so you have fog lights up front, alloy wheels, you have dual sunroofs and an entertainment package in this one. Go ahead and give you a sneak peek of that light gray leather interior and those dual sunroofs. Power lift gate. This model's an all-wheel drive. Honda has done an excellent job on this model. Second row has captain's chairs. There's your entertainment package, your second sunroof. You see that these captain's chairs are indeed heated, and you do have 115 volt power right there, along with two USBs, HDMI, and headset ports right there. And there's your back row. You have two driver presets right there. Here's the VIN right here, and I'll add still shots of these as well. If I'm going too fast, you can just flip through the still shots. There's your econ right there. Your lane departure sensor. Come over here. See, it does have heated and cooled front seats, Blu-ray, and I'm going to go ahead and turn this down a little bit so you can hear me better. There we go. So I just mentioned that here's your Blu-ray disc drive, your heated and cooled seats in the front. Here's your heated steering wheel. As you come up here, you're going to see that it only has 4,421 miles on this vehicle. Okay, as we come over here, you got your push to talk, your stereo, and trip computer toggles. You also have paddle shifters on this model. And then your cruise control, push button start, navigation, and it's a little bit difficult to see. I'm gonna go ahead and close that up so that you can see better. So you come over here to your stereo settings. You're gonna see that you do have navigation, and you have additional through your either Android or Apple. And you can jump to your station list, your phone as well, via Bluetooth or USB. Okay, and if you want to see the backup camera, we just pop it into reverse. And there's your HD backup camera. Put it back in park. Okay, and as you come down here, you have 12 volt power, and then your USB. And then you also have your charging port, your shifter right here, and your cup holders, key fob. All right, and then you have additional power sources and auxiliary right there. And as you come up top, you're gonna have your glasses holder and conversation mirror right there. And as I mentioned, there's your other sunroof. And that about wraps it up for the interior of this Honda. This vehicle does have a branded title. There's an impact here in the front and center. The airbags did not deploy. There was no structural damage, so we got it all fixed up. It has passed the 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com.